Hi there, meet the NinjaHandMixer and EmmersionBlender combo. A powerful 750 peak watt system designed to handle all your kitchen mixing and blending needs with ease. This versatile tool transforms effortlessly between a high-speed hand mixer and a robust immersion blender, featuring 5 mixing and 2 blending speeds for precise control tailored to every recipe. Equipped with EasyGlideBeaters that incorporate more air for light, fluffy baked goods and a 9-inch stainless steel blending arm with a built-in pan guard, it's perfect for soups, sauces, and more without scratching your cookware. Thanks to SmartTorqueTechnology, it maintains consistent speed even with thick ingredients, ensuring smooth, uninterrupted performance. Cleanup is simple with dishwasher-safe parts, and the ergonomic design offers a comfortable grip to reduce fatigue during extended use. Plus, the comprehensive kit includes everything from a whisk and beaters to a 3-cup blending vessel and a 20-recipe guide, making it your all-in-one solution for whipping, mixing, blending, and pureeing. Whether you're beating eggs, mixing dough, or creating smoothies, this powerful yet lightweight mixer makes every culinary task effortless and efficient. Thank you for watching. Check the link in description to buy this product. Please like and subscribe.